People may have something for show no go on over Bounty Killer page scene, but I want to help me determine if this is a this or this is just Bounty Killer being mature up on a different level. Scene. So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Or welcome if it's your first time. So no know Killer having birthday like few days ago. You see what I say? Killer turned 48, but did a video on that too. You see me? So you can check out that. But anyway, Killer, I post some picture from his birthday. So he post one particular picture with him and his mistress. You see me? And somebody went on it and made a comment. You see me? So here's the picture where Killer posts, right? And then the comment say, somebody comment and say, kind of resemble Angel. Now, Killer, you know what I mean? Killer got you and I reply to comments. He reply to a lot of comments. And Killer replied to this also. So Killer say, no, come on, wake up. That's the worst comparison you could have ever made. There are far, wide, and apart in resemblance. Wash out your eyes, please, and put 2 eye emoji. Now, I want to help me determine if Killer style Angel or Killer does. You know what I mean? I've been mature. So far, you know what I mean? I post it on my Instagram. And, most of the people must say, it's not a this. It's Killer being mature. And they must say, for one time gone, you know what I mean? Killer would have just tell them about them, what's it, not it. You see me? But now Killer is a different mature Killer. And yeah, people, I feel so too. You know what I mean? Because within like the last year or so, I do some things that we never really see Killer do before. Like, but just post a video yesterday when Killer, you know what I mean? Killer meet Mackerel for the first time. And Mackerel, you know what I mean? Did that walk away and Killer draw back and Mackerel bust a wine pan the general and thing. You see me? Them fun kind of something. And then we just see verses and we see how Killer go on a verses where we never see Bounty Killer like that. All the years of we watching Bounty Killer on the internet or wherever, you know what I mean, know him in the music. We never see him go on them weird. You know what I mean? He more free up and lively. Not him time, yeah. So, I want to help me determine if I style Angel or he just be mature, and that was a good mature answer. You see me? Now, there's another comment where Killer are the old Killer where we know and know how Killer go on. And if you style it generally, I go get style. See? But before me showing you that, let's just talk about, you know what I mean, the fact that Bounty Killer actually got through. And he replied to the comment, then he replied to a lot of people, you know what I mean. People are say, like when somebody me see comment and I say, Killer, you should have hug her up. And in general I say, you know, I'm not to do the hugging thing, I do it sometime. You see me? And most of the people, let me see all other vlogger over them, I see like SoFlo and thing, and he replied to them comments. You see me, I say, he replied to everything. So, if you go on the general page and you comment something when you feel is ready to reply to, you might go reply to it. You see me? However, like me say, if you go over there and go try style the man go style you back. So watch that boy, that brother, you go up on the man page, see the man and the woman, and decide for comment and say, Bounty woman look sexy though. Me would have take a slap out of her. Now, what that brother here did that thing? When think the general will say? Anyway, let's get into what general say. So what you reply to him and say, slap out of your mama, John your front boy. Have respect over ya. Batty breath. Yo. That way I tell you, this are the Bounty Killer who know about. You see me? So, people who want to get in the comment section and tell me what you think about the first comment, if that was a style, or like I say, that was Killer being mature and give a good mature answer. I really feel like, yo, my girl resemble Angel, and it's not because him have something personally against Angel or nothing. Him just say, yo, my girl this and she look like how she look. She don't look like Angel. You see what I say? Or you think say Killer does a style them neatly and intelligently. You see what I say? And also tell me about what you feel about the second comment here. If him really, him deserve it. From my opinion is him deserve it. You can't go see, and even if I never a killer, because I wouldn't like post my picture with my woman and somebody go come and said that, you go take a slap off of my woman. If you say she look nice or something, that's different. But you basically I disrespect that, you see me? So if you disrespect, you go get disrespect. You see me? Especially when you try for this man like Killer. And you know, say the man, they will tell you some things that hurt you. You see me? So yeah, people, big up on yourself and thank you for watching this. If it's your first time on the channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. And for all the long time people that want to subscribe and they are on a rock with me, big up on yourself and thank you. Thank you for watching.